English step by step. Be used to, get used to. Step 2. In this video, I'm going to go through the answers to a practice exercise. You can find the practice exercise in the Step 1 video, so make sure you watch that one first and try the exercise. In the Step 1 video, you'll also find examples of sentences with be used to, and you can find explanations of the structure and the meaning. So let's look at these sentences in this practice exercise. Number 1. It's not difficult for me to drive on the left. So we can say, I'm used to, so that I am, to be, and then used to, accustomed to, and then the gerund, driving on the left. I'm used to driving on the left. Number 2. It's difficult for him to live alone. So in this case, we have to say, he isn't, to be, used to, accustomed to, living alone. He isn't used to living alone. Number 3 is a question. Is it difficult for you to work at home? Well, in this case, it's the question, are you used to, accustomed to, and then the gerund again, working at home. Are you used to working at home? Now the next one is a situation in the past. Wasn't. So we have to change the sentence to the past tense of the verb. I was. I was used to, accustomed to, the heat. I was used to the heat. Number 5. The busy traffic was a problem for us. Now this changes into a negative form of the verb to be. We weren't. We weren't used to the busy traffic. We weren't used to the busy traffic. Number 6. Was the spicy food a problem for them? Now this is a question, so it's were they, and then used to, accustomed to, the spicy food. Were they used to the spicy food? Number 7. Is it difficult for them to wear a uniform? So this is a question. So the question is, are they? Are they used to, accustomed to, wearing a uniform? Are they used to wearing a uniform? Number 8. The hard work wasn't difficult for us. So this is a past tense situation. So it's we were used to the hard work. We were used to the hard work. So let's just repeat these for the pronunciation. I'm used to driving on the left. He isn't used to living alone. Are you used to working at home? I was used to the heat. We weren't used to the busy traffic. Were they used to the spicy food? Are they used to wearing a uniform? We were used to the hard work. So that brings us to the end of this Step 2 video on be used to and get used to. Now you can move on to the Step 3 video with more explanations and examples. Now if you like the content of this video, please click like and subscribe. And if you'd like to request a lesson, please leave a comment in the comments below.